Good day, my name is Sabrina Lakjan. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to sharpen a knife. These are the tools: noise towel, rolling stone, rolling steel, and the knife. These are the part of the knife: the butt, the tongue, the handle, the bolster, the spine, cutting edge, heel, and tip. And to begin, place the rolling stone on the flat surface together with the moist towel to avoid circular motion. Start in a rough side, heel to tip 5 to 10 times and 10 to 15 degree angle. Reverse same procedure 5 to 10 times 10 to 15 degree angle. After using the wrap, we will use the fine side, heel to tip 5 to 10 times 10 to 15 degree angle. Reverse procedure, heel to tip 5 to 10 times 10 to 15 degree angle. To maintain the sharpness of the knife, we will use the honing steel and for approximately 45 degree angle from heel to tip 5 to 10 times. Now to test the sharpness of the knife, we will cut a piece of paper. Thank you.